Hello stampers and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. I just wanted to show you this fabulous one-sheet wonder that I have created because I was looking for a fun way to show off this amazing designer series paper, and of course I didn't want to waste any of it. So while me trying not to waste any of it, I ended up coming up with a fabulous one-sheet wonder. So you can see that there are two pieces of paper shown here. One is the front and back and the front and back. So how fun is that? I used the In Color 6x6 Designer Series paper stack. There's also all of the family color collections as well. So the Brights, the Subtles, and the Regals. So you could do this with so many different fun colors based on whatever your favorite colors are, whatever the season might be, or whatever ink pads that you have as well. The other super fun thing about this is you can mix and match colors, or you can just pull out one ink pad and one stamp set and have lots of fun with this one with very minimal supplies. So let's get started and I'll show you how I did this. Of course, each of the pieces start with just a Whisper White card base. So this measures 5.5 by 8.5. And then of course I folded it in half. So very simple Whisper White card bases for each of these. And then now let's pull in my One Sheet Wonder template. So here is the piece of 6x6 Designer Series paper, and you can see that the only piece that I actually threw away was this little bitty piece that's up here. So everything else I actually used for these cards. So you can see first I cut at 2 inches. So I first cut at 2 inches, which gave me this 2" by 6" piece. Then I cut off to get 2 inches by 5.5. So this piece measures 2 inches by 5.5 inches. And that is what I used for these two cards. So you can see I just added that to the top there. This one I added some of the Whisper White ribbon, and then this one I went ahead and just left it blank. I also just stamped the greeting directly to the card base and then added a few rhinestones for a little bit of decoration. But you can always pop it up. I actually showed these to my husband and he said he preferred the popped up greeting rather than the flat greeting. So you could always pop that up, and I'll show you the stamp set and punch that I used for that. So now you're left with this 4" by 6" piece, and I just cut this at 5.25. So now I have a 4" by 5.25" piece, and then I'm left with this little bitty 3/4 by 4" piece. So that is how I actually created, dropped that one on the floor. So that's how I created these two cards. So this has a 4" by 5.25" piece, and then on this one I went ahead and I added that ribbon too. You can add it around just the Designer Series paper, or you can go to the inside of the card, which I have right here. Of course it's white on white, so it's a little bit hard to see, but you can always add that to the inside of your card. I simply just tied a little double knot there and then added the greeting with Stampin' Dimensionals. You probably also noticed the little sneak peek. This little leftover piece I just added as a little inside decoration here. So how fun and cute is that? Now for these cards, I actually used the Accented Blooms stamp set, which is this one here. It has both thank you and hello, and then it also has these fun little greetings that I added to the inside. So there's always thinking of you, so you could do hello, always thinking of you. And then the other one says big ways, small ways, love you always, which of course that one could go for either the hello or the little thank you. And this actually coordinates with the tailored tag punch. So I use the tailored tag punch to punch out the greeting, and that's where I used it for these to punch out that greeting there. And that's where my husband said that I should punch it out and pop it up on this one too, just to give it a little bit more texture and oomph to that greeting rather than just stamping it directly to to the card base. So let me know in the comments below whether you agree with me like this or whether you agree with my husband. I always like a little bit of texture and dimension, so I think he had a really good idea with that. So I might actually do that with some of my future cards that I'm making with all the other colors. So that is how I did that. Let me show you. This one I just have just that little greeting because of course with every sheet you can only use this little piece with either this card or this card. So that just kind of depends. And of course this sheet is the stripes and the polka dots. So that's these two cards. And then I have that inside little stripe on the inside of the polka dot one. And then the other style is this one, and I have that on the inside of that card. So you can always pick which one. Like I said, this is the In Color Designer Series paper stack. So I have all of the other colors in here as well that I cut up all the designer paper, and now I have all of these one sheet wonders to whip up a card with any sort of greeting. You could always change the ink or the stamp set to be a stamp set of your choice for other greetings. You can also add other styles of ribbon to it, or of course I added rhinestones, but you could always do rhinestones, pearls, or sequins, or lots of other fun things too. So I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial of the One Sheet Wonder with the 6x6 Designer Series paper stack, and I hope you try it out as well. I'll be posting pictures of these on my blog, laurastamppad.com, so you can check those out there for all the other dimensions and everything. Of course, thank you so much for your patience during this time with my little newborn. She is 7 weeks as of yesterday, so I'm still enjoying lots of snuggles, lots of feedings, and everything else, but she's starting to nap a little bit better, so I'm hoping to be in the stamp room and doing more on both my blog and here on my YouTube channel. So thank you for your patience with that. You can also click down here to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so that you can receive notifications. Click over here to see other fun one sheet wonders, and click up here so that you can subscribe to my newsletter and you don't miss out on any fun specials and projects that I'm doing. And I'll see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.